class. So today's lesson will be based on word problems, and the objective of today's lesson is to identify keywords in order to solve for the word problems. So what are some reasons as to why we need to identify keywords?
Like to know what the problem is asking and like to identify the information we need to solve the problem.
Yeah, that's correct. And just to elaborate a little bit more, when we identify keywords on a word problem, we are then able to not just only figure out what it is that they're trying for us to solve for, but also try to translate the words into operational symbols. And in doing that, it helps us to create an equation at the end. So what are some words that help us identify if there's addition going on?
More.
Combined.
Added. Or add. Gain.
Yes. Okay, this is good. How about for subtraction?
Lesson.
Listen.
Minus.
1 out of 10, please. Addie?
Minus.
Minus. How about you, Caio?
Lost.
Loss.
Subtract.
And division?
Share.
Divided by.
Yes.
Half.
Can we put ratio instead of
Ratio. Yeah.
Now we know that ratio stands for fractions. Okay then. So can somebody please read this word problem for me? Yes, Kai.
Robert made X basketball shots while Paul made 18 less than Robert. Combined, he made a total of 54. How many did Paul make?
Okay. So can somebody point out one keyword?
X.
X. And Annalise?
Lesson.
Listen.
And combine.
Total.
Total.
And Paul made.
Okay. So these are all good keywords that will help us create an equation. So what does combined translate to?
Plus, right? Plus sign.
How about less than?
Minus. Yeah.
So subtraction sign. And then total.
Equal sign, right?
When it comes to working on a word problem as well, we need to read it slowly, carefully, and completely. Sometimes it'll take more than once to understand it fully. After you guys have mastered in identifying keywords to your problems, we'll then go over or ahead and make equations. So for now, I'm going to pass out the worksheet that includes 5 questions, and I'll give you guys 10 minutes to work on them. Identify the keywords, and then once you have completed that task, then you may compare with your partner. Hey everybody! So today we're going to learn how to add fractions, and I'm going to teach you guys a cheer, and it goes like this. Hey, are you adding or subtracting fractions tonight? If so, make sure that your actions to your fractions are right. S1, denominators need to be the same. If not, multiply or divide by a common denominator. And remember, what you do to the bottom, you do to the top. S2, don't forget to break down to the simplest form and then say goodnight. Okay, so now that I've shown you guys the cheer, we're going to do it all together.